Open it. What's wrong?
I'm stuck.
It's stuck? Try again. Try it again. Try it again.
Mommy, if you need help.
What are we going to do tomorrow?
There's a present of me. A present of me.
Are we going to go to a parade tomorrow?
The parade to go downtown.
How are we going to get downtown?
It's a downtown border.
And what are we going to see?
Parade.
What kind of parade?
This pet parade.
The pet parade. And how are we going to get downtown?
The pet parade. This place kids.
Yeah.
Get out the bus.
And then what?
Gonna get out the bus. Gonna get out the bus.
And then what?